Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do calendula oil. So I am going to use this oil to make whipped body butter, which I will show you on another video. So calendula oil is absolutely phenomenal for skin irritations, cold sores, herpes, rashes, sunburns, but not just that, for really good collagen production. I'm gonna get my little notes here so I don't sit and blabber too much about it. But not only that, it helps to soothe muscle spasms, ulcers, wounds, hemorrhoids even, intestinal disease, colitis, GERD, esophageal irritations, peptic ulcers. Guys, I could go on and on about this herb. It's absolutely beautiful. So anyway, today I'm going to be using it in my body butter. So I'm gonna show you how to make the oil. So let's go. Okay, so what you're gonna need a scale. What you want to do is put whatever container you're gonna use on this scale and then go ahead and zero that scale out. All right, so it should read 0 there. And I am going to switch my unit over to grams. So we're gonna do 40 grams of these beautiful, beautiful flowers, okay? And yep, I'm going to be making a mess with all these here. All right. So 40 grams of calendula flowers. And then we're gonna use 2 cups of oil of your choice. And I prefer jojoba oil, avocado oil. Those are my favorites. You can even do like olive oil if you choose to. So the next step is you're gonna grind all the flowers that we just put in here. You can use a spice grinder. I actually love using the NutriBullet for this. Okay, so now you see I've got all those ground up. I've got my 40 grams of calendula flowers in here. So the next step is taking the 2 cups of oil of your choice. I'm actually gonna do a little bit of a mixture today. So most of it's gonna be the avocado oil. I'm gonna go 1.5 cups of avocado oil here. There we go. And then I'm gonna take the other 1/2 cup and do the jojoba oil. I love the jojoba oil because it really absorbs great into the skin. It's something our body can really naturally absorb. And then at the very end, I'm gonna add a little bit of vitamin E oil. Again, it's got some rose hip in it as well too, and there's some more jojoba oil. So I've got my double broiler here. It's just a small one. You can also take a glass bowl and put it on top of a pan of water. And what we're gonna do is we are going to actually keep this on for anywhere between 4 to 6 hours today to make the oil on a very low heat, stirring. We want the temperature between 95 and 110. So if you have one of those little thermometers to check out your temperature, that is going to be perfect for you guys. So another thing you're gonna need after this is all done, you're gonna want like a cheesecloth. I use nut bags, or you can just do a strainer and strain it out a couple different times. But again, just low heat, let this kind of simmer between that 95 and 110 degrees for between that 4 to 6 hours. So I just use one of these meat thermometers. It makes it really easy. So check your thermometer, check your temperature throughout the cooking process just to make sure it stays within that realm of the 95 to 110 degrees. So this is gonna be the quick method to making that calendula oil. Another way that you can do it is you can put all of this into a mason jar and let it sit on like one of those seed heating pads or just somewhere that's warm in a dark place for 1 to 2 weeks. So that's another way that you can do your oils, but if you really want to make something now or you're out of something, then this is going to be the quick alternative to making that oil.